Hey there everybody, it's Kitty back to you really with a touch base kind of thing about the contests. There are contest winners and I wanted to announce them real quick. I am a little day late on this video, but the first one, the comment winner is Cupcake Banshee Child, and the video winner is Ooh La La Little. So I just want to congratulate you two on winning the contest. Yay! So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know the contest is finished. And I wanted to maybe announce also that I wanted to give out my own little tiny, a little small prize. It's not like a big prize or anything, but a small prize to my comment winner, my comment winner that I had picked and put in, you know, with everybody else. I mean, it wasn't the name that was picked for the big one, so I went ahead and did a separate random.org, and I put in, you know, just a random number. A random amount, or the number of people that had commented on my video, and then I told it to give me a random number. And I basically, the winner is, and like I said before, this is a small prize, just, you know, because, you know, it was a collaboration video, and all the collaboration prizes are to the two main winners, and this third little prize that I'm giving away myself will be given to the, you know, the second comment winner. I keep saying winner, but I wanted to let Cat W Magic know that I would like to, that she was the winner of my comment winner prize. So this was not of the collaboration prizes. I just wanted to give out something from, this was my kind of like a first contest video for me anyway. So I wanted to give out something special just because, you know, this was kind of fun and new for me too. But I'm gonna send her a message as well as get in contact with her to start sending her prizes, and the other two people need to contact you know, Miss Shawanda and Abby to, you know, hey, you know, give them your address and stuff like that. And if you're confused on who to talk to, send me a message. We'll get you, you know, headed in the right direction. If you're on my video, I'm not sure which one was which or blah. But anyway, I just wanted to congratulate everybody and hope to be speaking to everybody soon. Like I said before, this is just a touch base, and coming up soon will be the, what do you call it, the Lush cocktail, as well as a couple more makeup videos. I was thinking about doing this rainbow eye. What do you think? Maybe I should do that in a video. Well, anyways, I just wanted to say hey and bye. I'll see y'all later.